Hey guys, welcome to Childhood Fantasies. Today is day 2 in Chirala and we came to have a complimentary breakfast. There's bunda, egg, idli and tomato bath. Guys, the weather is very pleasant and we came out to sit on the lawn and relax. After some time, we are gonna dive in the pool and then decide what to do today. We are going to have some fun in the pool. There is no one in the pool now, so I'm gonna have some me time.
We had a really good time at the pool. We nearly spent 2 hours. After finishing our lunch, we are going to the beach to spend some time. The weather is a bit cloudy and it's going to rain anytime. We'll fly our drone and capture some memorable shots. So let's go.
Guys, it is such a peaceful area. You can literally hear the waves from here. The air smells fresh and there's this relaxed coastal vibes all around. As usual, there is only a little crowd here. There are clouds and weather is pleasant. Guys, as you can see, there are black clouds behind me. It's gonna rain at any time. And now I'm gonna enjoy at the beach. Guys, there is a rocky structure over there. It looks like it is a rock path to the beach. We are going there now and take some shots to see what it is. Guys, you will not believe the sound of the waves is so calming and there's a gentle breeze in the air. The sand is soft under my feet. It's peaceful, refreshing and just the perfect moment to unwind. Guys, there are some fishermen here. They are casting their fishing nets into the sea, but because of monsoon, venturing into the sea is banned. The sea is calm today compared to yesterday, but as the day progresses, the waves will get bigger and bigger. As you can see, this is a small rocky path, probably man-made. You can take some beautiful photos here. We are now going to fly our drone and capture some incredible shots. If you like them, then consider to like and subscribe to our channel. coming to the activities on this beach, and if you are wondering what to do, then you can ride a horse and an ATV, which we are going to do now. Huh? Guys, there are few activities on this beach, and the horse riding is one of them. The cost is 200 per person. Guys, his name is Kalyan. I enjoyed the ride. This is another activity on the beach. This is the ATV ride and the cost around 300 rupees, which you can negotiate. The ride is decent enough for the fare, but the adrenaline rush that you get is another level, which you will really enjoy. We had a great time here, and as you saw, we had a couple of activities. So if you are in Chirala, you have to do these all activities. We are now heading to the pool.
Look at this. It's so beautiful with the water flowing out of the ring and under the lights.
Friends, this is day 3 in Chirala and is our last day here. We are returning to Hyderabad but came to the beach to get one final glimpse. There is a small change in plan in our return route. We will take Chirala, Vijayawada, Hyderabad highway as want to stick to broader highway as much as possible. This route is just 1.5 hours more, but you will be driving along the good roads. Guys, hope you like the Chirala Beach and our resort. We are now heading back to Hyderabad. We stopped at this hotel called Hotel Vivera to have some beverages, and after having some beverages, we are heading back to our home. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye, meet you in the next vlog.